Are you wondering how to set up a Kanban board in teamwork.com and streamline your team's workflow? In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get started in no time and boost your productivity with this fantastic project management tool. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a special bonus offer that will give you exclusive access to Teamwork for free. Teamwork.com is an intuitive software that helps you manage your team's tasks, projects, and deadlines all in one place. It's ideal for teams of any size, and today we'll focus on one of its most powerful features, the Kanban board. To set up your Kanban board, you'll first need to log into your Teamwork account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can sign up using the exclusive link in the description for a completely free trial and get started right away. Once you're logged in, select the project where you want to create your Kanban board. From there, go to the Boards tab on the left-hand sidebar and click on Create Board. You can name the board whatever you like. Something descriptive works best, so everyone on your team knows what it's for. Now that you have your board created, let's add your columns. Kanban boards work by organizing tasks into columns, often labeled things like To Do, In Progress, and Done. To add a new column, click on the plus Add Column button at the top of the board. You can create as many columns as you need based on your workflow. If your team is working on multiple stages of a project, these columns help you visualize where tasks are in the process. Next, we'll add some tasks. Click on the plus Add Task button at the top of your board, and you can start typing in your tasks. Each task can have a detailed description, attachments, due dates, and even assignees. This feature allows you to assign tasks to specific team members so everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. One of the great things about Teamwork's Kanban board is its drag and drop functionality. Once a task is created, you can move it between columns with ease. Just click and drag the task card to the appropriate column. This allows for quick updates and real-time collaboration, making it easy to track progress. To further enhance your Kanban board, you can add labels to tasks for easy categorization. These can be color-coded labels like high priority or urgent, so your team knows which tasks need immediate attention. You can also filter by labels to find specific types of tasks faster. Additionally, Teamwork lets you set due dates and reminders for tasks. This ensures deadlines are met and nothing falls through the cracks. It's crucial for keeping the team on track, especially when working on multiple projects. You can also integrate your Kanban board with other features in Teamwork. For example, syncing it with the calendar or time tracking tools can give you a comprehensive view of your project's timeline. This makes it easier to manage resources and make sure your team stays on track. If you're collaborating with others, don't forget about Teamwork's comments and notifications features. You can leave comments on individual tasks, tag team members, and get instant notifications when something changes or when you're mentioned in a task. This keeps the whole team informed and ensures smoother communication. Before I wrap up, remember that you can use teamwork.com for free from the link below, which gives you access to exclusive bonuses. This means you can set up your Kanban board and try all these features without any cost. So go ahead, get started with Teamwork today. To recap, we've covered setting up a Kanban board in Teamwork, creating columns, adding tasks, using labels, and integrating with other tools. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functioning Kanban board ready to optimize your team's workflow and help you stay organized. Plus, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial. Check the link below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Teamwork account.